So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to invest in a private market fund in Canada using Wealthsimple. Once Wealthsimple is opened up on the home tab here, scroll down to where it says open or move account, select it, and then select open a new account. Once you're here, we're just going to go ahead and press invest in the top middle. Then we're going to scroll down to the bottom here to where it says Wealthsimple for portfolios, and where it says private market fund right here, invest in high performing assets typically reserved for the ultra wealthy. We will select this. Now, once you're here, if you want to sort of read more about it, you can read more about it right here. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press invest in private markets, and then go ahead and follow the steps that way. So that is how you guys can invest in a private market fund here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.